Really getting this question a lot. And what I don't want you all to do is be scared. What you scared for? But seriously, should you wait to buy? Should you wait to sell? Keep watching and get your cup ready. What's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Shakia Watson, a realtor, and I'm here with RealTEA Tuesdays, where I'll spill all the tea on the real estate space. So today, guess what we're talking about? The housing market. Yes, I want you all to know this is a big topic and I had to address it. The housing market is not going to crash. We seen a dip. The dip was normal. A seller's market is normal. We gotta have a seller's market. We gotta have a buyer's market. You just never know when things are gonna happen. We cannot predict the future. That's the thing about the market. You don't know what's gonna happen. So do not get discouraged. I have 3 reasons why you should discourage in this market. I want you to keep watching and let's get right into it. Let's get into the first point. Cost of waiting. A lender came in and talked to us to inform us about what's going on right now and why buyers, sellers, or anybody should not be afraid to jump in the market. So we're going to base this off a $250,000 townhome here in Guilford County. $250,000 townhome, the loan amount will be $225,000. The down payment is $25,000. It's 10% of $225,000. And then the rate is 6%. Now look at this. Waiting 6 months, what happens? The rate goes up to 6.25%. The value of the property goes up 4.24%, going up to $260,597 from a $250,000 townhome. Okay? Now look at when you wait 1 year. Waiting 1 year, the property value goes up 6.74%. The loan value has went up. The property value has went up. Waiting 2 years, the property value goes up 10.82%. 3 years, 15.06%. With a 4.5% interest rate. At a low rate, you are still getting hit with a higher loan than if you started right now with a $225,000 loan. It will cost you. So don't wait. If you want to get in it and you're ready and you're financially stable to where you are ready to own your home, get into the real estate market now. Let's get into the next point. So the next reason why you shouldn't wait is because of equity. Equity is the difference between how much your house is worth and how much your mortgage is. Let me tell you, you don't want to miss out on this moolah, baby. With a $400,000 home, as you can see, over 5 years, you can gain $168,000. Now, historically, you could have gained $130,000. That is $38,000 more that you can gain right now than if you would have got your house years ago. Why not start now? Start working on your credit. Start working on your finances. Start working on your savings. Because, hey, let me tell you, the homeowners, them the real bosses right there. I love them, okay? So, tell me, do you really want to wait? Let me give you one more reason why you shouldn't wait. You will definitely know your answer by the end of this video. Last but not least, our third reason and why you shouldn't wait, you all should already know. But if you don't know, it's the buying versus renting war. Buying is winning the war right now. Rent is not going down nowhere. The only place it's going is up. And when I tell y'all rent is going up tremendously, it just doesn't make any sense. Renters We're literally renting at a price of a mansion. I am paying rent for a 4-bedroom home that's over $1,800. I could be in a mansion right now. Okay? I have been told multiple times that you are paying so much where you can be living in your dream home right now. And I'm like, yeah, I know. And the rent just keeps going up. Okay? What do you want your future to look like? It's okay if you want to stay where you're at and you're comfortable. But I'm talking to the ones that are uncomfortable. The ones that don't like their living situation. The ones that are like me, that are striving to get to a place where they can be a homeowner. What's for you will be for you, no matter if it's up or down. As you see, people are still selling homes. People are still buying those homes. No matter what. Real estate is a revolving door. It's going to keep going no matter what. Are you going to wait for it? Or is it going to wait for you? To sum up everything, let me tell you, you do not want to wait. Please, it's going to cost you in the long run. As you see, property values can go up, equity gain can get lost, and the buying and renting. You don't want to be out here paying for something that you could be paying on a mansion right now. Like me, in a 4-bedroom home, paying over $1,800. Okay? So, get your credit right. Get your finances right. Hire a realtor. Link up with them. Make sure that you have everything in order before making this big leap of faith. Because on the other side of faith is fear. And right now, a lot of people are on the other side of faith. And I'm here to let you know that you need to have faith. Because if you believe that you can be a homeowner, you will become a homeowner. It's your girl, Shakia Watson, the Realtor. If you have any questions, please drop down in the comment section. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. And we'll be back next Tuesday with RealTEA Tuesday. I'm going to see y'all next episode.